Hey, Ade. Not Ade. That's not Slagi. This will be our next lesson. Chian, Chian 2, Food 2, October 10th. Alrighty, so here it is. First of all, we'll do Ntakis. So at that time, we're talking about the word Ashkedan. Ashkedan. Okay, Ashkedan. Ashkedan refers to past, long ago. Ashkedan. So if you're a storyteller, then you can say Ashkedan. All right. So in this one, we'll say Ashkedan Dene, that's people or Navajos. Ayo would be very much. Okay, very much. And Winesh Chidi. Wo Nesh Chidi. Winesh Chidi. Winesh Chidi. Okay. The Winesh Chidi. It is a cicadae. Here's a picture of it. Okay, right there. Okay, all right. A long time ago, Navajos very much Wineshchidi, which is cicadae. Deya means to eat. Deya, so that's a plural. They, sometimes we put da, but deya. Deyang and used to eat. They used to eat a lot or very much. Is a way of saying pass. So I want to make this past tense. Deya. Past tense. We put on there. Okay. So it's a simple way of putting present tense verb into past tense. So we just add and. So I'll do a video clip on that too. Right here it says doleh, and doleh. Okay, so one is past tense, one is future tense. Okay, so you can put that on verbs and you can make it past or future. Today we'll just talk about past. All right, let's do another one. The ayo b, which is deer. They used to eat a lot of deer. Another one is the ayo sheep. They used to eat a lot of horses. Okay, in our brainstorming, we'll do maybe prayer dog, rabbit. I don't know, but you students, you'll decide. Okay, you help me out. Could be something more than that here. Alrighty, so let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it, right? Okay. All right. So anyway, that's what that is. Let's go down a little further. As part of the class. What happened? Too much. Sorry about that. Okay, one more time. There you go. Oh, it's too small. Okay, there we go. Okay, we'll also do this. Okay, I'll just read it, and in class we'll actually have a greater discussion on it. Okay, so this is our pass-off statement. Okay, this is a pass-off statement. Okay, we'll say Ashkedan, Jo Yo Bekashi Yand Ant. So there's an ant again, there's a Ashkedan again. The word I use here is Bekashi. Bekashi means cow. And then we'll put another statement saying Jo Kad Do Ayo Bekashi Yand. Do is, remember, stating is opposite. So Ayoya means he really ate a lot, but now he doesn't. So there's a word for now. So the sentence Joe kato yo bekashiyada. So we'll answer some questions, also give you detail talking about this. Next one is kad ayo chilchakre. Yeah, chilchakre will be lettuce. Okay, so we'll discuss that. And then we'll make some questions, okay, about these three statements. Three statements. Okay. And one of them would be, we'll introduce the word Heish. Heish al-Kida Ayobeka Shiyand, and the answer will be Joe al-Kida Ayobeka Shiyand. And then we'll do a question on Joe again. Joe kad do yo hati. What? Right? What? So maybe last time you didn't get the word what. So this time we'll introduce it again. And we'll say what right there. Little red sign. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay. And okay. So hati. Jo kat do yo hati yada. That means what? Okay. And the answer is Jo kat do yo bekashi yada, which is our answer. Okay. And then another question is Heish kad the answer is Joe. Kat right? So we'll go up that far. And then as a team, with the team members, you'll actually, team chooses a cartoon character. That's spell that right, character. We'll correct that. And fill in the blank like Madeline. Okay, so here it is. You'll take this, a cartoon character, put it right in here. Here's an example. Okay, here's the example. Donald Duck as a cartoon character. Donald Duck Osh is bugs. He yawned and he used to eat a lot of bugs. Okay? And then let's keep telling the story. Donald Duck do ayoch oshiyana. He doesn't eat lots of now. Okay, now. Do ayoch oshiyada. And we got to give an answer. And okay, the answer is yeah. Now he eats a lot of rabbit. Okay, so that's the job of the team. All right. So see you in class. Thank you for listening.